Welcome to English for Kids Academy.
Good morning, Sam.
Good morning, Mom.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
It's time to brush your teeth.
Okay, Mom.
Don't forget to wash your face.
I won't forget.
Good boy. Let's have breakfast. What do you want for breakfast?
I want bread and milk.
Here you go.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Eat well. Are you ready for school?
Yes, I am.
Where is your bag?
It's on the table.
Okay, let's go.
Bye, Mom.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We're fine, thank you.
Let's start the lesson. What day is it today?
It's Monday.
Very good.
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
Excellent, Tom. What's the weather like today?
It's sunny. It's warm and bright.
Great. Sunny days make us happy.
Hello, what's your name? My name is Ben. What's your name? I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How old are you, Ben? I'm 8 years old. I'm 9 years old. Wow, you're older than me. Ha ha, just 1 year. Do you like school, Anna? Yes, I do. What's your favorite subject? I like English and art. I like math and science.
How was school today?
It was fun.
What did you learn?
I learned English words and did some drawings.
That's great.
What do you like to eat, Tom? I like pizza and ice cream. Me too. What's your favorite drink? Orange juice. What do you do in your free time? I play games and ride my bike. I like drawing and reading books. Cool. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. I like blue. Blue is cool. What's your favorite animal? I love cats.
It's bedtime, Sam.
Okay, Mom.
Good night.
Good night, Mom. Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams, my dear.